Aeneid 1, 490 to 494. This is, we're looking at the temple walls here and what's painted or carved into them. Ducit Amazonum lunatis agmina peltis penthesilea. Here's your verb. Super easy. Present active indicative, third singular. Subjects down here. This is an example of enjambment, where you take this first word of the next line is actually a key word in the line before. So this is the subject of ducit. Penthesilea leads the columns of the Amazons. This is accusative plural neuter. That's your DO. Because the nominative and accusative of all neuters is always the same in Latin and Greek, and the plural always ends in A. So she leads those columns of the Amazons with their moon-shaped shields. And it's peltis because the shields were made of leather. And she is furens. Now, this is one of two present active participles, PAP, present active participles, describing Penthesilea. The other one is down here, PAP, and here she's tying up, but we'll get to that in a sec. She's raging here. Furens, important word choice there, and also ardet, important word choice. She burns and she rages. Of course, Dido's going to do these things too. Cities will do these things. Midius quin millibus, in the midst of their thousands. All right, we've got an astrophe here, flip-flop, right? Aurea subnectens. Now she's binding up aurea cingula, a golden girdle under her. This is dative, going with the compound verb. Often the case that a compound verb will take a dative. Binding up a golden girdle underneath her exposed breast. So she's got one breast exposed, and she ties the knot of her dress underneath that. So PAP, PAP, and here she is referred to as a bellatrix. This is a great example of an appositive. A positive there, and another one here, a positive. So we've got Penthesilea named here. We've got a couple of adjectives, present active participles modifying her, and then she's redefined by these two appositives. She's a bellatrix, she's a warrioress, she's a virgo, she's a maiden, audetque viris concurrere, and she dares to run with the men. There's your main verb right there, and our two main verbs, both simple present active indicatives, but beautiful imagery here. A strong female, a warrioress, bellatrix, a virgo, maiden. She's exposing her breast, exposing her female identity, and this comes right before our heroine Dido enters the scene.